DJI Mavic 3 $1,899 USD versus Mini 3 Pro $759 USD. That's an 85% price difference. If you solely only care about image quality, is the price difference worth it for the Mavic 3? When talking specs, the bigger, more beefier drone, the Mavic 3 has a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, which is essentially a Panasonic GH5, which is pretty crazy if you think about it. It can produce a 5.1K image and has an optical zoom up to 7x and zoom digitally up to 20x. It has a variable aperture of 2.8 to f11, which will give you control of the amount of light into your camera, which is pretty important if you want the correct amount of motion blur. The Mini 3 has a 1/1.3 inch CMOS sensor that is slightly bigger than the latest iPhone camera, which produces a 4K image at its highest resolution and has a fixed aperture of 1.7, providing better image quality in low light. It can also flip vertically if you're filming for social or need portrait-oriented photos. Because of the larger sensor on the Mavic 3 and the ability to shoot in D-Log, you're able to get a higher dynamic range, resulting in a cleaner, more professional image. Dynamic range is simply the range of the lightest tones to the darkest tones within an image. The Mini 3 allows you to film in D-Cine-like that gives you some flexibility in post to color grade with your image, but not nearly as much as the Mavic 3. Comparing the main camera of both drones in their native picture profiles, no color grade added whatsoever, the result is strikingly similar. Here's some examples. To compare the dynamic range, here are both drone cameras filmed in their flat picture profiles, D-Log and D-Cine-like. This last test shows you the quality difference in low light. The winner here should be the Mini 3 because of the 1.7 aperture, allowing you to keep that ISO as low as possible, resulting in a cleaner image with less noise. Now, is it worth the extra money for the larger camera on the Mavic 3? In my personal opinion, I would lean towards no, as you get some benefits on the Mini 3 that the Mavic 3 just doesn't offer. Mainly, the size is perfect for portability and gives you the advantage to fly almost anywhere because the total weight is under 249 grams, allowing for flights almost anywhere in the world without a flight certificate. Plus, you can shoot vertically, which is becoming more and more popular as the world is shifting more and more towards vertical content on TikTok and Instagram Reels. If you're interested in learning more about drones or anything filmmaking, make sure to check out some of my other videos on my channel or my LUT packs if you're looking to get a cleaner, more professional look on your footage. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.